Hi, my name is Steve Kinsley. I'm the Chief Wackadoo at Wackadoo Information Systems. Today's topic, backup, restore, and clear. Now, this is something that applies to every application that we do. I'm just using this one as an example. Doesn't really matter which one I picked. So let's take a look at the menu, and you will see that there is a custom templates menu. Now, every application has one, and what's on it varies from app to app. We happen to have 3 different things on there. The reason that this is pertinent for backup and restore is that you can backup and restore just your template data. That's great. You can also backup and restore everything, including your template data. Yes, templates are a subset of the data archives. So sometimes for maintenance or support reasons, we want to do a template backup and help people with that because it gives us a mechanism for sending them a number of things at a time. The data archives is what you're going to do on a daily basis. Hint, hint, you're going to go in and run a backup. Now you have 2 kinds of backups that you could run. You could run an XML backup or a tab backup. The only difference between the 2 is the structure of the file. Functionally, they are the same thing. They have the same data. They both work equally well in the restore command. Now I did mention that there was a clear command, and you notice that there is not a clear menu selection here. The reason for that is that it's a very dangerous button that we don't give permission to just anybody in your account. For my user role for this application, I don't have permission to the clear button. If I did, it would be there and I could click on it and a big message would pop up saying words to the effect of, you're going to wipe everything off the servers. Are you sure you want to do this? And it's a big scary message, and the answer is no, you don't want to do that unless you've got data backups and you know what you're really doing. So let's talk about what those files are. When you do a backup, you get a file, comes to your downloads folder. You get the file name constructed of your account name, who you are, your business name, what it is that you backed up, data archives or templates from the data archives, what you did, it was a backup, and you have a timestamp for exactly when you did this thing. Now, there's nothing special about these files, and I need to be straight with you here. You could go in and look at these, don't do it. You could go in and you could edit these, don't do it, because you can mess up your database if you ever tried to restore to that file. It would be possible for you to do if you're at all interested in that kind of thing. Don't do it anyway. Thank you. Okay. So take your backup files every day and just throw them into a directory and just build up your archive of backup files. The reason that you want to do that is you don't know when you're going to want to go back and look at something. And you can't ask us. I want to point out the backup and data retention policy that you agreed to when you signed up for Wackadoo. And this is serious stuff, so I'm going to show you my ugly face, and as the kids say, it's, Dad, you've got your dad face on. Yeah, that's right. This is a serious thing. Backing up your data is your responsibility. I'm not going to read the rest of this for you. You can do that. The point is, you control your data. We don't want it. We want you to have control over your data. So if you don't back it up, it ain't backed up. Just be clear about that. Don't call us up and say, hey, I need something from, because we don't have it. Okay? I can do a full system restore, but that's not the same thing. That's for like our disaster recovery purposes. Your data backups are your responsibility. So that's everything that you need to know about backup, restore, and clear. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to reach out to us. You can go to the Contact Us section of our webpage, and you will find out how to contact us directly right there. Thank you.